Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
That was my camper van, Serenity. I lived in it for a while again.
If you wanna go, I'm down.
I set out this time around with an initial goal in mind, hitting the ski slopes way more than I did last year. I was able to get 16 resort days, 1 backcountry, and 2 uphill days, spread across 5 states. Now this isn't some impressive figure compared to others that do a van life focused ski season, but while working full time with shifting priorities, it's a number I'm very happy with. If you're curious, give my poorly narrated love letter to skiing a watch to catch up on what that really looked like. A big part of van life for me is bringing my fluffy partner Luna along for the ride. I saw some old school ski joring in Leadville. Drove through some crazy storms. I did some hiking in cool places. And I did leave my van behind to visit the tropics. I stopped by to see a professional bike fitter. And I spent a lot of time doing sport, especially on my bike. Check out my Bay Area cycling montage to see more of that. Throughout my travels, I spent a lot of time with friends. My van life looks different to others. My version isn't what you normally see on social media, and I love it oh so dearly.